This is what we decided on making. I have about 2 cups of thickly cut romaine lettuce. I think there's about 6 green olives. There are 4 tablespoons of sour cream. There is 1 cup of ground beef and about 1 tablespoon of shredded cheddar cheese that I shredded myself. And 1 tablespoon of salsa verde. And then also a diet Snapple. And I had a hard-boiled egg. Alright guys, so it's Monday night and I just got my lunch prepped for tomorrow. So I'm using the Stoke cold brew coffee. This coffee is really good. If I buy cold brew pre-made, then I usually get this or the Starbucks kind. This is just a little bit cheaper, so I don't know. It's really good. I enjoy it. Anyways, I cut up 2 ounces of sharp cheddar cheese. I have 1 serving of these mini salamis from Aldi, which is 6, with like a teaspoon of cream cheese on each one. So 3 teaspoons of cream cheese. I have 2 celery stalks. Let me take this off because I need to put one of those things in my dishwasher. It's leaving spots on all of my dishes. Alright. 2 celery stalks, 1 dill pickle, and I put it in this baggie because I don't want its juices to get all over everything. I would really like those dividing meal prep, but these will do. And then I have, this is not even, well, this may be about a cup of romaine chopped, and then 1 hard-boiled egg, and then this is 2 tablespoons of ranch dressing, and then 3 strawberries and 9 blueberries with a link hair on the outside, thank God. And 1 of these clear American ice drinks, and then I already actually got my bulletproof coffee already pre-made with the MCT oil, and 4 tablespoons of almond, vanilla, unsweetened milk, and some Torani hazelnut syrup. So yeah, that's gonna be my lunch tomorrow, guys. That is my meal prep. I mean, I may eat it all, I may not eat it all. I usually always try to skip breakfast and just have my coffee and then go until lunchtime for food. This to me looks like a lot of food to have for lunch, so I'm not sure if I'll eat it all. You know, I may just eat the salad and snack on some of the cheese or something. I'm not sure. Or maybe I'll even, you know, have this for breakfast. We'll find out tomorrow. But yep, this is what I did, and I will check in with you guys again tomorrow. Alright guys, I'm having leftover chili with about 6 of the cheddar barbecue bacon wisps inside. And this is about almost, not quite, but almost 8 ounces. Yum. Alright guys, today is Wednesday, April 17th, and this is my lunch. It's kind of all over the place now. It was about half of a serving of pecans, 2 ounces of mozzarella cheese, 1 serving of these mini salamis from Aldi with a teaspoon of cream cheese in each one of them, and 2 hard-boiled eggs. Also washing it down with some ice cold water. Gotta keep that fluid. Alright guys, it's Wednesday night. It is, what time is it? Alexa, what time is it?
The time is 6:11 p.m.
It is 6:11 p.m. and this is what is for dinner today. This is 8 ounces of Amanda's chili. I absolutely adore it. I put a little bit of barbecue bacon cheese wisps in there. And then I just have about 1.5 cups of shredded romaine with it, 2 tablespoons, actually not even 2, probably 1 tablespoon of ranch. I have shredded probably about 1 ounce of cheddar cheese. I have 1 whole avocado, and then I put salt, pepper, and like a garlic chicken rub sprinkled on top, because why not? Yeah, this is dinner tonight, guys. All right, guys, I like that salad so much for dinner on Wednesday night that I recreated it for lunch today. This is Thursday. This is 11:30 a.m. and it's just about a cup and a half of romaine, 1 tablespoon of ranch. Oh, is it starting to rain? 1 tablespoon of ranch. I got some of this garlic and herb seasoning for chicken on my avocado, and this time I squirted a little bit of lime on the avocado because I cut this up last night and I wanted the avocado to sort of not brown, which it started to a little bit. I have 1 egg cut up on it, and I have some cheddar cheese chopped up on there as well. And then I have just about 6 or 7 blueberries and 3 strawberries in there, and the lemon drop bang. So that is today's lunch. See you guys for dinner. I also have this about 1.5 cups, almost 2 cups of romaine lettuce with 1 serving of sliced roast beef and 2 ounces of cheddar cheese and some mustard. Because I wanted like a sandwich, but I wanted a salad, so I just combined it. I thought about doing a liquid fast today, but honestly, I ate so late last night. I didn't start eating until like 8 o'clock. I didn't have my dinner, and then I woke up this morning, I was starving. So I had a Quest, what was it? Cookie dough? Yeah, cookie dough protein bar. And so I prepared my lunch, and I'm having some cheese, egg, pepperoni, blueberries, and some pickles, and some Quest ranch flavored protein chips. That's it. Hey guys! Friday night! What? This is my dinner. I made a salad with ranch and avocado and cheese, salt, pepper. Got some mustard and some ketchup here, and 1 of these beef burgers with a slice of cheese and a little tiny thin slice of avocado. And I'm enjoying a spiked sparkling seltzer, cranberry, lime, 1 carb. Cooking some more burgers. Listening to Bohemian Rhapsody. Looking at a dog.